Now, Jim Meagher. Jimmy, first thing, congratulations. I suppose job done. You're in the hat for the quarter-final.
Absolutely, Meagher. Just delighted to get through today's game. Tough game. I know James Stevens brought a level there in the second half. We showed great character. It's not the first time the Shamrocks have shown that kind of resolve and character and that bit of courage to dig out that game in the last 5-10 minutes. So, absolutely thrilled and looking forward. It draws on now, I believe. So, looking forward to hearing who we get later on.
The old cliche, I suppose, that that the goals win the games. You had 2 got in the first half, and then when you score 4 goals, it's hard to beat you if you don't concede, and you only conceded the 1.
Yeah, I suppose a big thing for us is one of our strengths is in the air, and having watched a couple of the James Stevens matches, we felt that if we could create a bit of space on puck-outs and create that one-on-one inside, that we'd be able to get a couple of chances. And thankfully came off today, and absolutely delighted. But when you score 4 goals, you give yourself a great platform, and one of our targets is to hit 22, 23 points in every game. And if we can hit the net, we know we'll be thereabouts.
12 wides today, because I know you strive for perfection down there at the Shamrocks. So I suppose that'll be addressed as well as everything else. But I detected from Owen Cody there talking to him that Shamrocks realise this is knockout stuff, this is quarter-final stuff, and everybody lifts the gear kind of automatically. Absolutely,
Meagher. I suppose you got to turn up when it counts and matters most. And today we knew coming here to Callan this afternoon that we had to turn up. James Stevens had a really good league campaign. They were in a good place coming into today's game, and we knew that if we didn't turn up or we weren't on it, that we'd be beaten. And thankfully, they're a great group of lads. They're fantastic to work with. Huge belief in the group. Whatever happens in 2 weeks' time, we'll be ready again, and we'll get all our 15 to the start line, and we'll take it from there.
And finally, I know the Shamrocks have a tradition, a very proud tradition of they love to beat whoever beats them. They love to come back and beat them the following year. Would you like to get the reigning champions of Loughlin's in your next game, or would you like to rather beat them later on?
Whoever we get, we get. Once we look after ourselves, and if we get our 15 on the field, hurling well, playing really well, using the ball well, finding men in a better position, creating goal chances. I suppose one thing today that really, we fouled a lot, Meagher, and we gave away a lot of frees, and that's definitely something we have to improve on. No matter who we play in the quarter-final draw, if you give away, 10 plus frees, good free takers. The Kilkenny Club Championship, one of the best championships in the country, and you'll come up against free takers who punish you all day long. So you've got to be making sure that if we get our best 15 on the field and we get to Nolan Park in 2 weeks' time, whoever we play, we play. We just can't wait, and we're delighted to be there.
Absolutely. Last question for you. You mentioned injuries there. Dara Mason okay?
Yeah, Dara's okay. Just got a bit of a knock on the ear, and doctor just took him off with a precautionary concussion. So we just threw in Liam Barron and got in Colin Fennelly as well. Colin, who had tore his cruciate back in March, and he's to be fair to him, he's rehabbing that and doing a huge amount of work there over in Dubai. So he flew in on Thursday night, and it was fantastic to get him back into the group. He's a huge player for us, and we get him motoring again now. He come home in another fortnight for the quarter final. So yeah, all good, Meagher. Looking forward to it.
Okay. Well